Today is painting day, and I don't know why I've been almost putting this off, but it's probably because cleaning out the airbrush afterwards takes so much time. And setting up takes a little bit of time, but the job it does, boy, you just can't beat it. I can't paint anywhere near as good with a brush as I can with this airbrush. Now, I don't know why I don't give myself a new pair of disposable gloves here. Been using these ones probably 10 times now. But they don't have any holes in them, so why not, right? Okay. Well, it shouldn't take very much here. Maybe I better give it a little bit more, just in case it takes a bit more to prime the pump here. On the other hand, I don't want to be running back to the model store for more, gray if I don't have to. Okay, now these I don't reuse. Let's have a little look at our little parts here. See how they came out, see if I missed anywhere. Now, one of the things that I really have learned to like about this airbrush is that when you spray it on, even if you spray it on a little bit on the heavy side, you don't lose the detail on the part, like around a rivet or something like that. Whereas when you brush it on, even if you, thin the paint out pretty good, it seems to wick its way into the cracks and fill the cracks up, and you lose the detail. Well, that's my opinion anyway. Now, can we still see the texturing on that little piece of photo etch? And what about the ladder? How did it come out? Now, these little parts are so incredibly small. I know they look big here under the macro lens, but I don't know if you'll even see that little ladder unless you get up really close and look at the side of the model where it happens to be, let alone see all sorts of little texturing on that little panel. Yeah, the texturing's still there, but you're not going to notice it anyway. There's a lot of detail on this model that you're not going to notice. That maybe judges in a contest that know what to look for would see it, but the average person looking at it, even if they were to use a magnifying glass, you're not going to see some of this detail. It is just so fine and so delicate. Anyway, I think we'll let this paint dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll try and stick some of these parts down. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.